Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a deep condition for your hair using an aloe plant leaf and some oils. So what we're going to do is use the middle of the aloe plant leaf. You're going to cut it in half, and if you can see here, the gel, we're going to cut that out, put it into a bowl, and then we're going to pour that into a food processor. You can also use a blender here if you'd like, whatever you have on hand to mix the oils that you're going to pour in. So right now I'm pouring in avocado oil. You can use whatever oils your hair really likes. Some people really like jojoba. Whatever oils you like, you're going to mix that up in your food processor or blender, making sure that it has a very smooth consistency. So you're going to have the oils mixing in completely with your aloe gel to make a nice smooth mixture that you're going to apply to your hair. Quick tip, if there are still bits of aloe left in your mixture, just strain it through with a pantyhose or a strainer so you can get all those bits out, add it to your hair, and you're set. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, Tracy Coretta. Bye guys.